In this video, we will demonstrate the process to restore the DX NetOps virtual network assurance configurations. This demonstration will restore the VNA system configurations stored in the MySQL database and restore the plugin templates and active plugins that are stored in the collector directory in the VNA install directory. The configurations will be restored to the VNA system on the original host that the backup files were generated from. In an environment where there are multiple VNA servers, if the restore is needed because a host failed, only the configurations on the failed host need restored. The restore process does not need to be run on the remaining VNA servers. If a restore is needed as a part of a host migration, refer to the migration topic in the DX NetOps Virtual Network Assurance technical documentation. To get started, we'll log into the VNA host as the root user or the install sudo user. Before the restore can take place, the Wildfly application server running VNA must be stopped. To stop the application server, we'll execute the command system control stop Wildfly. Next, we will restore the configuration stored in the MySQL database. First, we'll take a look at the backup directory to get the file name of the backup file we will use for the restore. In this example, we only have one backup file, so we'll use this file for the restore. To perform the database restore, we'll use the dbrestore.sh backup script installed with VNA. This script is located in the directory tools bin. In the command to execute the restore script, we'll enter the path to the restore script, followed by the path to the backup file and the name of the backup file. We'll execute the command, and then enter the MySQL password. And we can see that the restore is complete now. Next, we'll restore the plugin configurations to the collector directory. In the backup process, we copied the entire collector directory to the backup folder, and for the restore, we will copy the entire collector directory from the backup folder to the VNA install directory, and overwrite the existing collector directory. We'll use the copy command with the RF option to overwrite the existing directory without a confirmation prompt, specify the path to the backup collector directory, then the path to the VNA directory. Next, we'll change the ownership of the files under the collector directory to the application server user. In this example, the user ID is Wildfly. We'll use the change owner command with the recursive option, followed by the username, followed by the path to the collector directory with the wildcard at the end. With the owner changed, the final step is to restart Wildfly. This completes the Restore DX NetOps Virtual Network Assurance Configurations video.